In my last video, we went over how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. And today, we're going to do the opposite and convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. First, a quick review. A mixed number is a mathematical expression that shows a whole number plus a proper fraction. Remember, proper fractions are fractions where the numerator, top number, is smaller than the denominator, bottom number. Improper fractions, on the other hand, are fractions that have a numerator greater than or equal to the denominator. If you want more information on proper versus improper fractions, I'll put a link in the description below for that video. Let's take 2 1/3 as a mixed number, an improper fraction, in the form of a picture. In a fraction, there is a numerator and a denominator. The numerator represents the number of parts you have, and the denominator represents the number of parts in each whole. Here are 3 bars, and each bar has 3 parts. Since there are 3 parts in each whole, we will be using 3 as our denominator. The mixed number of 2 1/3 just simply means that we have 2 whole bars colored in, with the last bar only having 1/3 colored. When looking at this picture, we can also show this as an improper fraction. Again, our bars are divided into thirds, and we have a total of 7 parts colored, which means we have 7 thirds. That is the improper fraction. So 2 1/3 is the same thing as saying 7 thirds. It's easy to see the relationship between the two expressions when you have a picture to look at, but you won't always have that. So let's go over the steps to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction. Once you go through a few examples, it becomes very easy to do. Here, we have the mixed number of 5 1/2. The number 5 represents our whole number, and the half represents our proper fraction. Said differently, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 halves. I guess you can figure out now that 5 1/2 is really 11 halves as an improper fraction. But let's talk about how you figure out how to get that way without a picture. The first step in converting a mixed number to an improper fraction is to identify our denominator. In this example, the denominator is 2, and there are 2 parts in each whole. Or you can look at it as this. It's already given to you in the proper fraction portion. Next, we multiply the denominator times our whole number. Here, that would be 2 times 5, to get us a total of 10. Next, you add the remaining numerator from your proper fraction, which is 1, to get to 11. So the steps in converting mixed numbers to an improper fraction is to multiply first, then add. You do that in a clockwise fashion, starting at the bottom and moving around towards the top. Let's do some more examples. Convert 7 1/4 to an improper fraction. Let's write down 4 as our denominator, and then multiply 4 times our whole number of 7 to get a total of 28. Then we add the numerator of 1, and we get 29. 29/4 is our improper fraction. How about 3 3/8? We write down 8 as our denominator because it's the same as denominator used in our proper fraction. We multiply 8 times 3, and we get 24. We then add the 3 from our numerator, and we get 27. 27/8. That is how you convert a mixed number to an improper fraction. If you haven't seen my video on converting improper fractions to mixed numbers, check it out here. For additional problems and answers, head on over to improvemath.com/additional resources for a free download. As always, if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up or subscribe. Thanks for watching.